we're going to look at constructing three different types of triangle. And the first triangle that we're going to construct is one where we're given the lengths of all three sides. And in order to do this, we're going to use a ruler and compasses. Okay. I think it's a very good idea when you're constructing triangles and other shapes to draw a quick sketch first. So in this case, I'm going to just draw a triangle. So we can see we've got three sides. One, the longest side. Let's just draw that with a pen. So that one is 11, and we're going to call that side AB. And then we're going to have AC, which is 6 centimeters. That one's going to be 6, and then we're going to have BC, which is 9 centimeters. So that's just a quick sketch of what we're expecting to see. So I always think it's easiest if you start with the longest side. I think the triangle just looks nicest if you start with the longest side. So I'm going to start with the side AB, which is 11 centimeters long. So I'm going to draw a side which is 11 centimeters. So in order to do that, you're going to need your ruler. So grab your ruler. Let's move it down here, and we're going to draw a line which is exactly 11 centimeters long. Now, one way of doing that is actually to draw your line, but draw your line a little bit too long, just to get it really accurate. And then what I do then is I usually just pick up a pencil, and I mark exactly on the 0 there, okay, and exactly on the 11 there, just so I know exactly where I am. Okay, let's sorry, that hasn't come out very well. Let's just move that out of the way. Let's move it out of the way. So the 11, 0 was there, and 11 was there. Okay, so that's our line, which is 11 centimeters long. What we now need are our compasses. So let's label that as A. That's why it helps to have the sketch, so you can just check back at the sketch. So we're now going to get our compasses, and we're going to draw AC. And AC is exactly 6 centimeters long. So in order to do that, get your compasses. Okay, so here are my compasses, and I'm going to put my compasses on here. So with 0 on that end, okay, so one end on 0. Open your compasses to exactly 6 centimeters. So make sure it's exactly right. It's quite tricky for me to do with this machine. There we go. Okay, let's get your ruler out of the way. So we know that from the point to the tip of the pencil is exactly 6 centimeters. So now put the end of your compass there, exactly at that point there. Let's rotate it around a bit, and we're going to draw an arc which is exactly 6 centimeters. So let's draw an arc there. Okay, now do the same thing again, but from the other end. So we now know that point C is somewhere on that arc. So now we do the same thing again. So grab your ruler, open your compasses. This time you're going to open your compasses to exactly 9 centimeters long. So let's open your compasses to 9 centimeters long. Let's rotate a little bit further away. It's a bit tricky on this one, but there we go, 9 centimeters. So open your compasses to 9. Now this time I'm going to put my compasses on the other end. So let's flip your compass round. Okay, there's my tip exactly on B. Let's rotate the compass, and I'm going to draw another arc now. There we go. And that arc is exactly 9 centimeters from B. So now we know that our point C has got to be on this arc, and it's also got to be on this arc. So it must be at the point where the two arcs meet. So point C is exactly here. Let's just draw that. And now all you need to do is get your ruler. I'm just going to do it with a straight line because it's a bit easier for me. And I can join A to C. There we go. And I can then join C to B. And what we usually do, just to finish off, is we usually write down the lengths. Okay, so AB is 11 centimeters, AC is 6 centimeters, and BC is 9 centimeters. There we go.